Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating word in the English language. Today's word is effective. So, what does effective mean? Well, in simple terms, if something is effective, it means it's producing the result you want. It's successful in achieving a specific aim or goal. It's a B1 level adjective, meaning it's quite common and useful in everyday English. For example, if a medicine is effective, it means it helps you feel better. If a teaching method is effective, it means students learn well. It's all about getting the job done right. Now, let's delve a little deeper. Think about things in your life. What do you consider effective? Is your study method effective? Is your communication style effective? Let's move on to some synonyms. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. A great synonym for effective is successful. For example, you could say the campaign was successful in raising awareness. Another synonym is productive. For instance, the meeting was very productive. We made a lot of decisions. We can also use the word efficient. Using public transport is an efficient way to travel in the city. Then we have fruitful. A fruitful discussion leads to positive outcomes. The negotiations were fruitful and both sides reached an agreement. Finally, consider the word operative. The new system is now operative and running smoothly. To recap those synonyms, we have successful, productive, efficient, fruitful, and operative. Each word conveys a similar idea of achieving a desired outcome, but with slight nuances. Now, let's switch gears and talk about antonyms. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. The opposite of effective would be something that doesn't produce the desired result, something that fails to achieve its purpose. One antonym is ineffective. For example, the old cleaning product was ineffective at removing stains. Another antonym is futile, meaning pointless or useless. It was futile to try and reason with him when he was so angry. Another possibility is unproductive. Spending hours on social media can be unproductive. We also have inefficient. The old machinery was inefficient and wasted a lot of energy. Furthermore, consider the word fruitless. Their search for the missing documents proved fruitless. So to summarize, antonyms for effective include ineffective, futile, unproductive, inefficient, and fruitless. Notice how these words describe a lack of success or a failure to achieve a desired outcome. Now, how can we use the word effective in everyday life? It's all around us. Imagine you're talking to a friend about a new workout routine. You could say, "This new workout routine is really effective. I've already lost weight." Or perhaps you're discussing different ways to learn a language. You might say, "Using flashcards is a very effective way to memorize vocabulary." At work, you might hear someone say, "We need a more effective strategy for marketing our product." If you're cold, you might say, "Wearing a jacket is effective at keeping me warm." If you are trying to solve a problem, you could say, "Brainstorming is an effective way to generate new ideas." You can use effective to describe policies too. The new government policies are effective at reducing crime. Let's put effective in some more example sentences and phrases. She is a very effective communicator. The medicine was effective in relieving his pain. Effective immediately, the new rules will be enforced. We need to find an effective solution to this problem. He is an effective leader, inspiring his team to achieve great things. The teacher used effective methods to engage the students. The company launched an effective marketing campaign. The security measures proved to be effective in preventing theft. Proper insulation is effective in reducing energy costs. Regular exercise is effective for maintaining good health. This is an effective way to learn new things. We strive to be effective in all that we do. An effective team works together towards a common goal. The best way to study is to find a strategy that's effective for you. In short, effective is a powerful word that describes the ability to achieve a desired result. We've explored its definition, synonyms like successful, productive, efficient, fruitful, and operative, and antonyms such as ineffective, futile, unproductive, inefficient, and fruitless. We also looked at how it's used in everyday conversations and saw numerous examples. Thanks so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode effective in expanding your English vocabulary. Before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps other learners like you discover our show. As an exercise, try creating your own sentence using the word effective and share it in the comments below. We'd love to see how you're using this new word. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.